In this video, I am going to show you how to add indicators in Tradingview. First, open up your tradingview.com and from here go to supercharts. Once that open, click on the indicators section on this navigation bar, and from here search whatever indicator you want to add to the Tradingview. So let's say I want to add a super trend, so I'll search a super trend here. You'll see super trend in the results. Click on that. So there you go, super trend is added on my chart. So this is how you can add indicators on your Tradingview chart.